Hey, what's up? It is Tony. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. So I got the plug for y'all. A little while ago, a company reached out to me and asked me could they send me some of their palettes for me to review. And I was like, yeah. I'm always a little nervous because I would rather not do a review at all than like drag somebody, unless it's like what is it called? A product that's really popular. And I'm like, well, let me give my opinion on it to give, you know, kind of like a varying opinion on it if I don't like. I always want to be honest and give y'all the really real. So anyway, I told them to go ahead and send me the palette. Well, I got it. They sent me like 5 or 6 palettes, something like that. I had them for a while and I was like, let me use them. Girl, oh my God. These palettes are so bomb. They're like a good combination of affordable and bomb. Like not a little bit bomb, but a lot of it bomb. None of them in the store are over $12. Yeah. The look that I have on today is from the palette. Everything that I have on my eyes as far as shadow goes are from these palettes. So here's one of them that I use quite a bit. It's called Bad Habit, Aphrodite Bad Habit. And it comes in a little thing like this. And these are the colors in this particular one. Now, you know, when you get them, you're like, oh, they're cute, but what they gonna look like on baby? The payoff, the color payoff is rich, honey. I mean, like super duper rich. Here's one I use also. This is on my eyes. It's in the Royals palette. You know what? Forgive this nail. You see this nail? I ought to be ashamed. So I broke that like yesterday in my nail appointment until later. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the Royals palette. I have this on my eyes, and then I used the Bad Habit palette. Sometimes you'll see a palette and it look like it's gonna be jamming, and then you put it on, you gotta like put it on and on and on and on and on. Yeah, no, that ain't the case with this. So I dabbed, I put my brush in this, right? And you know how you just like, I'm already prepping for the, it ain't gonna be that good, which is awful, but you know, I was just prepared. Dude, I was looking like a clown because it just went on so good and so smooth and so pigmented. I was just not ready. So I don't know if I got around to telling y'all this, but the name of the company is Hush. I'm going to put a link in the description box so you can go and check out all of their palettes and yada, yada, yada. You're going to love them. So just won't let me be great. Let's swatch. I'm going to swatch. I'm going to do this color. That color right there. You see it? So I'm going to put, so just that little bit of rub got me this. Okay? It got me that. And then I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so you can see, hopefully. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's see. Let's do, this is a color. So that was called Majestic. This is called Monarch. So I have on a combination of Monarch, Majestic, and this color Crown, and one other color from this other palette. But let me show you this other palette. Okay, I mean this other color. So this is called Monarch. Now, first of all, hopefully you can see it. I know this light is really bright, but let me put it on the back of my hand. It's kind of flesh color though. Can y'all see that? I mean, it's crazy pigmented. I'm real super duper impressed and outdone. What are y'all doing? This is so bomb. Another one that I used is this one right here. It's called Flirt, but since that one is similar to the colors that I just showed you, I'll show you Crush. Let's do Beauty, because Beauty has a little frost in it, like a shimmer. So We'll rub it just a little bit. I want y'all to see how much I'm rubbing it. I mean, like, not at all. Get your light together with this light, child. There's the light. And then, can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. It's just super duper. They sent me one called Athena. I mean, y'all done really did something. Hush. Y'all done really, you better hush. Hush. Corny. Anyway, go check them out. I put a link in the description box. And I think you're really, really, really going to like these palettes. And they price is super duper bomb. So I would love for you to come back and let me know what you think about them if you order them. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.